Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Fresh Shastra and Bhashya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. So in the last session, we have told regarding the Adharabhuta Siddhantas, and that I have told regarding the Paribhashas. So and I told regarding the different, explained regarding the different Vargas, and also explained regarding the Dhanvantri as well as the Rudra Bhaga. So Dhanvantri Bhaga is nothing but the like share of the medicines that the physician used to get in the olden days. Like if the rasaushadis or the medicated ghee and medicated oil means half part like it is offered to the physician chair. And if avalehas means it is like 1/8 part, it is offered to the physician, as well as if the dhatu basmas are used, or churnas, vati gutikas, or asavaristas, etc. means it should be like 1/7 part is offered. And then Rudrabhaka, I told that and like all the medicines, if it is brought from the medicine seller, either by the patient or by the physician himself, then the 1/11 part of the this medicine money, that value is paid by the medicine seller to the physician or the Vaidya itself. And this share of the money paid to the physician by the medicine seller is called as the Rudra Bhaga. So next we can go regarding the different terms. So like Deepana. So what is Deepana? Deepanas means those drugs, so which kindle the Chatragni and but do not digest the ama, or are called as the Deepana Dravyas. And the drug of choice here is the Mishi. Mishi is the drug of the choice. So according to Sharangdara has mentioned that Pachit Namam Vahni Kricham Deepanam Tadhyatha Mishi means those drugs uh, which like kindles the Chatragni and but does not digest the ama, are called as the Deepana Dravyas, and the drug of the choice is the Mishi. And next, this one, Pachana. So what is Pachana? Pachana Dravyas. So this digest the ama, but do not stimulate the Chatragni. And here, the drug of the choice is the Nagakesara. And so like some drugs do both like Agnidipana and Ama Pachana. And this drug of choice is Chitraka. So Chitraka does both. It acts as Agnidipana as well as it does the Ama Pachana. But Nagakesara, so it digests the ama but do not stimulate the chatra. Next, Samshamana. So Samshamana means Samshamana drugs. So these are those which do not bring out the vitiated doshas from the body. So but specifies them in their own places. And drug of the choice here is the Amrita. It is the Shamana. And next, Anulomana. So Anulomana means the drugs which liquefies the Apakwa and Dosha Pidita Mala. Apakwa and dosha pidita mala and push it out through the rectum is called as the anulomana. And here the drug of the choice is haritaki. And next, Shramshana. So here the drug which expels out the pakwa or the apakwa mala, and which is that which is adherent to the costas through the rectum route, and it's called as the Shramshana Dravya, and the drug of the choice here is the Arakwada. And next, Bhedana. So the drug which breaks the Pindita mala and push it out are called as the Bhedana Dravyas. And the drug of the choice is here Katuki. The Katuki is the drug of the choice. Next, Rechana. So whether like Pakwa or the Apakwa stool is made liquefied and expelled forcefully down through the rectum by the Rechana Dravyas. It's called as the Rechana, and here the drug of the choice is the Trivrat. And next, Vamana. So Vamana means the drugs which remove the vitiated pitta and kapha from the stomach through the mouth are called Vamana Dravyas. And the drug of the choice here is the Matana Phala. Next, samshodhana. So the drugs which remove the vitiated doshas either from the upper roots or from the lower roots of the body are called samshodhana dravyas. And the drug of the choice is Devadali Phala. And next, Chedana, the drug which remove the adherent Dushita Kapha from the costas are called the Chedana Dravya, and the drug of the choice are like Kshara, Maricha, and Shilajit. Next, Lekhana. So the drug which removes the Dushta Dhatu and other waste from the body after like drying them up are called the Lekhana Dravya, and the drug of the choice is like Madhu, Ushnodaka, Vacha, Yava, etc. And Grahi. Next, Grahi. So the drugs with Deepana Pachana properties and also do the Drava Samshoshana Karma are called as the Grahi Dravya. So drug of the choice are Shunti, Jiraka and Kacha Pipali. Next, Stambhana. So the drugs with their prominent action on Vata dosha by Ruksha, Shita, Kashaya and Lagupaki properties and does the Stambhana action in the body. And here the drug of the choice Vatsaka and Tuntuka. And next is the Rasayana. So what is Rasayana? So drugs which helps to delay the old age and bring in like good immunity power are Rasayana Dravyas. And the drug of the choice are like Guduchi, Rudanthi, Kukkulu, Haritaki, etc. Next, Vajikarana. So Vajikarana means the drugs which bring in like more like sexual desire after consuming them are called Vajikarana Dravyas. So the drugs of drug of the choice is like Nagabala and Kapikachu. Next, Shukrala. So the drugs which enhances the quality and quantity of the Shukra in the body are called Shukrala Dravyas, and the drug of the choice are like Ashwagandha, Musali, Sharkara, Shatavari, etc. Next, Shukra Pravartaka. So, Dugdha, Masha, Bhalataka, Falamicha, these are Shukrala Dravyas. So, but they also provide strength for the Shukra Pravartana. And next, Sukshma. So, drug which possesses the quality of entering into the minute channels of the body are called Sukshma Dravyas. And drug choice are like Saindhava, Madhu, Nimbha, Nimbathail, air and thail, etc. Next, Vyavai. So drugs which instantly like exert the action on the body after conception and later go in for the digestion are called as the Vyavai Dravya, and drug of the choice are Bhanga and Hifena. And next, Vikasi. So drugs which weaken all the joints of the body and dislodge the ojas from the dhatus are called as the Vikasi Dravyas. And a drug of the choice are Kramukha and Kodra. Next, Madakari. So Madakari Dravyas are those which temporarily cause like derangement of the mana. Example, Madhya, Sura, etc. These are the Madakari Dravya. And next, Visha. Drug which possess the Vyavavikasi, Sukshma, Chedana and Madakari properties are having a Sneha and Yogavahi guna. They are also capable of killing the person. And next, Pramathi. So the drug which dislodges the Srotogata dosha sanchaya by their Virya and Pramathi Dravya. So examples like Maricha, Vacha, etc. Next, Abhishindi. So the drug which are unctuous and heavy for digestion and causes the Rasavaha Srotogata Avarodha and which leads to Shira and Sharira Gurutha are called as the Abhishandi Dravya. An example here is the Dhati is the example for the Abhishanda. So this is regarding the today's topic Adharabhuta Siddhantas of Vaisheshika Kalpana. So if you have any queries, please do mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.